Alright, so we have here is the Huawei Band 10 smartwatch, recently released in, I believe, March, beginning of March, and this is the green color version. I really liked it, so I really had to go for this color. It's quite vivid. So let's talk about the watch itself. It's got 1.47 inches of AMOLED screen display with always on feature. It's got 7 colors. It comes with matte black, white, green, blue, purple, all in aluminium, you can say, frame, and you'll get also separate black and pink colors that's in plastic built. With it you will get matching fluoro elastomeric straps, and the green one is the one which I would recommend to go for. So looking at the backside of the watch, it's got a PPG sensor with new sleep metrics using average sleep HRV, and in addition to that it's got a feature that is pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. Basically is to check if you have irregular heartbeats. It's also got 9 axis of IMU sensor, and also it's got ambient light sensor. It's also got a magnetic charging port, which you can charge the watch fast charging up to 45 minutes 0 to 100, and with the battery lasting up to 8 days under typical usage, and if you use the always on display feature like 24 hours, so the battery will last up to 3 days. So to connect the watch, it's got a Bluetooth 5.0 and BLE. You can use your Android phone or iOS phone by downloading the Huawei Health app. You get 100 plus workout modes including swimming, as the watch is water resistant, up to 5 ATM for 10 minutes. Additionally, you also get the emotion themed Hua Hua, meaning the panda, and also you will have health records for the whole family using this watch or any other Huawei watches. Now for those of you who are interested in purchasing this watch, this cost about $50, and pretty much that's it for the Huawei watches. If you guys have any doubts regarding this, comment below. I will be happy to answer them. If you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, unboxing for Huawei Band, what's in the box, or a short quick review of this, also link in the description below. Well, catch you guys in the next one.